Script: Understanding the pros, cons, and efficiencies of SARS-CoV-2, smallpox, and monkeypox, including patents for the viruses and vaccines. Introduction. Good day, everyone. Today, we will explore three important viruses: SARS-CoV-2, smallpox, variola virus, and monkeypox, focusing on their characteristics, the vaccines developed against them, and the associated pros and cons. Additionally, we will examine the patents related to these viruses and vaccines, which provide insight into their development and accessibility. Section 1: SARS-CoV-2, COVID-19. Let's begin with SARS-CoV-2, the virus responsible for the COVID-19 pandemic, a global health crisis that began in late 2019. Virus overview: SARS-CoV-2 is a novel coronavirus that primarily spreads through respiratory droplets and has an incubation period of about 2 to 14 days. It was first identified in Wuhan, China, and rapidly became a worldwide pandemic. Symptoms range from mild respiratory illness to severe pneumonia and multi-organ failure, especially in the elderly and immunocompromised individuals. Pros: 1. Global research mobilization. The rapid identification of the virus led to unprecedented global collaboration in research and vaccine development. Scientists worldwide shared genomic sequences, facilitating the accelerated development of diagnostics and vaccines. 2. Vaccine development. Multiple vaccines were developed at record speeds, including the mRNA vaccines like Pfizer-BioNTech and Moderna, as well as adenovirus vectored vaccines like AstraZeneca. These vaccines showed high efficiency in preventing severe illness, hospitalization, and death. Cons: 1. Mutation and variants. SARS-CoV-2 has undergone numerous mutations, leading to the emergence of variants such as Delta, Omicron, and others. These variants have sometimes shown increased transmissibility and partial resistance to immunity, both from vaccination and natural infection. 2. Long-term effects. Long COVID. Some individuals who recover from the acute phase of COVID-19 experience long-lasting symptoms, including fatigue, neurological issues, and respiratory problems. This phenomenon, known as long COVID, has posed challenges for public health systems. 3. Global disparities. Although vaccines were developed quickly, their distribution has been unequal, especially in lower-income countries. This disparity has hindered global efforts to achieve herd immunity and control the spread of the virus. Vaccine development and patents. The development of COVID-19 vaccines involved cutting-edge technologies such as mRNA, Pfizer-BioNTech and Moderna, and adenoviral vectors, AstraZeneca. The patenting of these vaccines sparked debates over intellectual property and equitable access. For example, Pfizer-BioNTech, the patent for the COVID-19 vaccine developed by Pfizer-BioNTech, Comirnaty, is shared by Pfizer and BioNTech. BioNTech holds patents for the mRNA technology that underpins the vaccine. Moderna's mRNA vaccine, Spikevax, has its own patents, and the company holds exclusive rights over the mRNA technology. AstraZeneca's vaccine is based on adenovirus vector technology, and the company has agreed to provide it at cost to ensure accessibility during the pandemic. Section 2: Smallpox, variola virus. Smallpox is a devastating virus that has been eradicated through a global vaccination campaign. Virus overview: Smallpox is caused by the variola virus, a member of the poxvirus family. It spreads via respiratory droplets and direct contact. Symptoms begin with fever, followed by a characteristic rash that progresses into pustules. Smallpox had a high mortality rate, especially among infants and young children. It was responsible for millions of deaths worldwide before its eradication. Pros: 1. Global eradication. The smallpox vaccination campaign led by the World Health Organization, WHO, in the 1960s successfully eradicated smallpox by 1980. This is the only disease in history to be completely eradicated through human intervention. 2. Effective vaccine. BCG, the vaccine developed by Edward Jenner in 1796, later improved and used in mass immunization campaigns, was instrumental in wiping out smallpox. The vaccine was a live virus vaccine that conferred long-lasting immunity. Cons: 1. Side effects of the vaccine. The smallpox vaccine, while effective, carried significant risks. Some individuals experienced severe side effects, including encephalitis and death, particularly in immunocompromised individuals. 2. Vaccine scarcity post-eradication. After smallpox was eradicated, routine vaccination ceased. This has raised concerns about the possibility of smallpox re-emerging through accidental release or bioterrorism. Vaccine development and patents. The smallpox vaccine, initially based on cowpox vaccinia virus, was developed by Edward Jenner in 1796, who made a groundbreaking observation that exposure to cowpox provided immunity to smallpox. Jenner's approach laid the foundation for modern vaccines. The vaccine was later produced by various manufacturers, and the patent for the smallpox vaccine was originally owned by several pharmaceutical companies. Post-eradication, many of these patents have expired. Modern smallpox vaccines, such as ACAM 2000, are derived from vaccinia virus. While smallpox has been eradicated, stockpiles of the vaccine remain as a precautionary measure in case of bioterrorism or accidental release. Section 3. Monkeypox. Monkeypox is a viral zoonosis, disease transmitted from animals to humans, that causes symptoms similar to smallpox but is typically milder. Virus overview. Monkeypox is caused by the monkeypox virus, which is part of the same virus family as smallpox, Poxviridae. It was first discovered in monkeys in 1958 and later identified in humans in 1970 in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Monkeypox is typically transmitted through direct contact with infected animals or humans, and the disease manifests with fever, swollen lymph nodes, and a characteristic rash. Pros. 1. Lower mortality rate than smallpox. Although monkeypox can cause severe illness, its mortality rate is significantly lower than that of smallpox. Most cases of monkeypox are mild and self-limiting. 2. Vaccination cross-protection. The smallpox vaccine offers some cross-protection against monkeypox, making it a useful tool in controlling outbreaks. This was particularly evident during the 2022 outbreak, where vaccinated individuals showed reduced severity and mortality. 3. Research advances. The resurgence of monkeypox in recent years has spurred further research into better diagnostics, treatments, and vaccines. Cons. 1. Emerging outbreaks. In 2022, monkeypox spread to multiple countries outside Africa, leading to concerns about its potential to become a larger global threat. Its spread in non-endemic regions highlights the challenges of controlling zoonotic diseases. 2. Limited vaccine access. While the smallpox vaccine offers some protection, there is a need for more specific vaccines and treatments for monkeypox. The vaccine for monkeypox itself, JYNNEOS, is currently limited in availability, especially in non-endemic regions. Vaccine development and patents. JYNNEOS vaccine, a vaccine developed by Bavarian Nordic, JYNNEOS, also known as Imvamune, is licensed for use against monkeypox. The vaccine was initially developed for smallpox and later shown to offer protection against monkeypox as well. Patent for JYNNEOS. Bavarian Nordic holds the patent for the JYNNEOS vaccine, which was developed using a modified vaccinia oncara virus, MVA, a non-replicating form of the vaccinia virus. Conclusion. In summary, each of these viruses, SARS-CoV-2, smallpox, and monkeypox, has had significant impacts on global health, but each presents unique challenges and opportunities.